So Lolo Kacheros, for today's video, dito tayo sa Dubai Marina at mag-visit tayo dito sa Dubai Aquarium. This is the biggest kind of aquarium in the world. And look at that. Ito yung bumungad sa amin pagpasok namin dito sa Dubai Aquarium. And wow, it's super massive structure. Sobrang daming species of life, mga school of fishes. And sobrang namangha ako kasi different kinds of marine life and aqua life nandito. And yun nga, from floor to ceiling, yung laki na aquarium. Sobrang laki, sobrang just wow. Wala akong masabi at first glance. Sobrang namangha talaga ako. Sobrang laki niya at saka sobrang lawak niya. And from side to side, talagang binisit namin. At ito talaga yung nakakamaka. Super relaxing yung Dubai Aquarium na to and super worth it yung experience dito. So, ang daming, as mentioned, mga species na mga fish and different kinds. May nakita din ako ng mga sharks and yan. And sobrang just amazing talaga. I'm lost for words. This is one of the books na experience. And when you come in Dubai, you should visit it. I'll give this 1,000 over 10. Super nice experience. If I have the chance to go back, I would. And sobrang ganda lang nun yung gift of life and creation ng God natin. Super amazing talaga. And with this Dubai Aquarium, sobrang namangha talaga ako. I've been to Singapore na aquarium, but so far, this is my top aquarium in the world. Sobrang ganda talaga. You must visit also guys. Bye!